So anyway, guys, this is Samani Peace and Wasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Thursday, happy 2026. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. What's on the table? Season 9, guys. Umakele is ready to sing. According to Makele's knowledge, Makumale has a child, and that child wasn't Musamseleko's child, Kanjan. Because Umayeni on season 8, she reveals Utobile Beguyingani Beshai Scoop Musamsalaka has a church, guys. He once had a church back then when Utobile was still young, and people thought Musamsalaka met Utobile when she was alleged 16 or 15 years old. So now Umakele she's exposing Utobile had a child, and that child was not Musamsalako's child, Kanjan. And people are saying Umakele really hates Tobile. You were quiet from season 1. We are now on season 9. You want to expose Tobile. You could have said that on season 4, on season 5. You were saying this because Tobile, she's no longer the Begezeling wife, the Bogoto wife. She agreed with everything. Right now, she decided to distance herself. She doesn't want wife number 5. So now you're not happy because Tobile, she doesn't agree with you. That's why you want to talk bad in Tobile. So guys, I cannot wait to see the episode, guys. It's the next coming episode. You turn on September. I think it is episode 2 or 3, guys, where Umakele she will be telling us where is the child Tobile, because now you are telling us Utobile has a child, and I've never seen Utobile talking about a child. She's been complaining, crying every day in front of our screen, saying ukuthi na uyafisa ukuba nengane yakhe kanti Utobile unengane kanjani. Guys, Uthando Nesthembu season 9 is Yakala Zaporum. I think this is the final Uthando Nesthembu, guys. We're not gonna have a season 10, guys, because the wives, they are ready to expose each other. So tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Are we ready to see Ingania Tobile according to my guys? Because you cannot say something and you don't explain. We want to know what is going on. So people are saying that we need to stand with Tobile Kule season, guys. Utobile really need us. I don't know, guys. Utobile has been the biggest selling right now. Ziam Kalela. But anyway, guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what you think about this video. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care.